So hey guys, my name is Shabaz Salim and you're watching my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, we are back with latest bridal blouse designs, and this blouse designs color was a green color, and sleeves have two peacock, one left side, one right side, and we also stitching 4-inch border on the sleeves, and top of the sleeves we are stitching some boxes, and we use some thick spring on the boxes. First we are making boxes with the thick zardozi, then we are start to stitching some moti and sugar beads, and moti and sugar beads mix. Okay, so right now we are using 7 number wooden needle, and I want to tell you one more thing guys. Wooden needle not for beginner. If you are a beginner, you have no idea how to put these are needles in a hand, so I think you will break these are needle. So I have a good suggestion for you. You use iron needle, same number, same quality. If you want to buy these are needle, you just do WhatsApp on the same number. We also sell one needle set. It's very sharp and very good for beginner. Okay, and if you want any type of help according to blouse designs and how to make your blouse design at your home, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. My team always ready for you make your design. Okay, and always ready for your help, no cost help. Okay, every time 24/7 you just do WhatsApp on the same number. So right now we are start to stitching boxes on top of the sleeves, and this is a crystal sugar beads, and it's a little bit different, and this type of zardozi have a two color, one light and one dark. So right now we are using some dark zardozi with the 7 number wooden needle. Okay, and this zardozi cutting was a 1.5 inch length, because if this are length was a big, so I think stitching was a fast, little bit fast. Okay, and if you stitching these are zardozis load, so I think you will need to cut a little bit low size. Okay, same as it is we are fixing all the boxes, then we are start to stitching other work on the sleeves. Okay, and we also stitching boxes inside in the boxes we are stitching some 3 number moti with the sugar beads with the other work, because these blouse designs main work in the sleeves of the top. Okay, so look at this. Right now we are start to stitching some sugar beads in the boxes, inside in the boxes. Okay, same as it is we are stitching all the boxes, then we are start to stitching some more work. I will show you in the next step. Okay, and if anyone want to buy these blouse designs, and you just do WhatsApp on the same number. And we are also, especially in a customization, we make blouse designs according to your choice, your sari color, your body measurement. You just do WhatsApp on the same number and tell me which one you want, any color, any size. Okay, and we are taking one by one order, we are not taking bulk order, we are just taking one by one order. And we also use all these are material was a quality material, not a local quality. Okay, we are use all these branded quality material, and look at this my material, and also check my all designs, you will see. Okay, and right now we are on the back and start to stitching some combination color load, and it's a leaf load. Load have a maximum 3 to 4 quality, one straight lines quality. In these blouse designs we are also stitching sugar beads load, and lots of blouse we are replace these this work with the silk thread load, but still my customer demand was he need some sugar beads load, so that's why we will stitch these are load. Okay, and if we are stitching some silk load on that place, so it's looking good, but my customer choice. Okay, my customer is my first priority. And now we are using dotar needle. Dotar needle was a very unique needle, and if you stitching some silk thread zardozi, no silk thread or kasab and more things like this thread type, so you need to buy this dotar needle. Okay, so right now we are start to stitching inside the boxes with the hand needle. This is not any other needle, this is a normal hand needle, and we are start to stitching with the 3 number moti and one sugar bead inside in the box. Look at this, and this type of work we are stitching, and then this work done. Look at this sleeves look, just look at this downside border. If this blouse was completed, so you imagine how is the look guys. This is a latest and huge bridal blouse design, and that type of design maximum cost I think 4500 above, because these type of work taking too much time for making that type. And you also remember one more thing, these designs are not completed in a one day. We are taking maximum 2.5 day for making that type of design and also that type of video. You just watching in this entire design in this 10 minutes, but still I want to tell you guys, this design not completed in a one day, it's taking maximum 2.5 days. Okay, so look at this. And right now we are start to stitching some work in the peacock back. First we are fixing zardozi line, then we are start to stitching some light sugar beads and dark zardozi stones chain. Then we are start to stitching one moti with one light sugar bead. So now we will complete this work, then we are start to stitching some more work. And that place you can see lots of place was a free, we will free these are placed with the zigzag. Okay, and this blouse combination was red color, and peacock have a stomach place we will fill with the zigzag like that one. And we also some use in a peacock face some little bit red color. Okay, look at this, one zardozi one sugar beads and one 3 number moti and again sugar beads, same as it is. We are stitching all the boxes like that type, and we also stitching some kasab lines on the boxes in these peacock back side. Okay, look at these boxes, and also look at this peacock, it's looking very beautiful and also look like a real peacock. Look at this my art guys. And of course you tell me how's the design, and if anyone want to buy this design, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We also make all type blouse design, you just give me your photo design, otherwise if you want my designs, we all do. Okay, we also do quality work where we never compromise with my quality. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some zigzag in the downside of the sleeves, and we also fill this gap with the zigzag. And if you want to fix your gap with some unique work, so I'll suggestion for you guys, this is a very unique work, you need to do like this one. Okay, very beautiful look. And zigzag have a 2 color thread, one self and one gold. You don't need to use same like this one, you need to according your choice. And needle is a do tar, it's a very beautiful needle and very sharp. Okay, same as it is, we are filling the all gap. Then I'll show you this final blouse design look, very beautiful and very beautiful. Okay guys, and I hope you like this video and also learn of lots of things according to Aariwork, related to Aariwork. If you face any type of difficulties to learn this work, please do WhatsApp, I'll give you reply, my team always ready for you guys. So this is a final look guys, look at this two beautiful and decent peacocks, and also look at this top of the sleeves work, the boxes looking very beautiful and also looking very heavy. Okay, and these blouse designs maximum cost I think 4500 above only work. If you want a stitching and fabric, you also add 800 more, because 800 rupees these both items, stitching and also fabrics. We also use a cotton silk, not other brand. Cotton nomadic silk was very unique, we also use these the type of fabric brands. Okay, look at these sleeves, very beautiful guys. And we also show you this is a front neck, and you have two option in the front neck, you also make a princess cut and also make a cross cutting. Okay, look at this back, this is a very beautiful blouse design guys, very beautiful. And I want to tell you one more thing, if you want other shape in the back neck, option available guys, and like pot shape and U shape also have a option available guys. Okay, so how's the design, please tell me guys. And if you want to buy this blouse design, please do WhatsApp on the same number. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and if you are new and now you are watching this video, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video, see you with the